A BA LLB, Ms. C.H. Anvita has been a core committee member of the Environmental Law Studies and Orientation Program and Legal Aid and Awareness Committee in Christ University. She held the position of Deanery Student Council member for 3 consecutive years, 2017 to 2020. As a student convener, she organized legal aid and awareness camps in the villages of the districts of Kolar, Tumkur, Chikballapura, and Kamnagar. She has published papers on taxation predicament of slump exchanges, judicial interpretation of minority shareholders' rights in mergers and acquisitions, the Financial Resolution and Deposit Insurance Bill 2017. She spoke on women's rights, sexual harassment, and related crimes faced by women. She was in the organizing committee of the cultural events of the decennial celebration held in the School of Law, Christ University 2017. Took part in a group classical dance, group contemporary dance, and won many prizes. With a well-rounded internship in her profile, she is in the making of a lawyer of repute.
My grandfather is doing the honors on behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards everybody from the Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for nominating me for such a great honor. I would also like to thank every single person of my family for being a constant and unwavering support through my entire journey as a law student and now as a lawyer. Last but not the least, I would also like to mention that it is an absolute honor to be nominated among such high achieving women. It is my ambition that I become like them in the future, and they truly are role models for me. Thank you.
Mrs. Chandani Madalam. Mrs. Chandani Madalam is an engineer by profession and professional musical whistler by passion. She had started learning and performing professional musical whistling both in Carnatic and light music songs since 2014. She stood 5th place in the Allied Arts category at International Whistling Competition conducted in Japan on 2018. She holds an Asia Book of Records and National Book of Records for most people whistle together, where 150 members had taken part in it. She also has performed at Pyramid Meditation Center in Hyderabad for over 3,000 people. She was honored as Gana Kurali by Vasavi Club in the year 2018.
First of all, I would like to thank Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for choosing me along with 24 other lovely ladies in honoring this prestigious award. I'm really grateful and thankful to everyone. I would like to thank my parents, husband, my in-laws and all the other family members for supporting me, without whose role I would have not been able to do this. Special thanks to Sujata ma'am for giving me a lot of opportunities in the past days. Once again, thank you everyone. Happy 2021.
Srimati Gayatri Gupta. Gayatri holds a master's degree in English literature and based her thesis titled Relate to Wisdom on Robert Frost, an American poet. She is an orator and has participated in many talks and debates. She has delivered a speech on the omnipresence and omniscience of Sri Satya Sai Baba Varu. She excels in various types of flower arrangements such as Egabana, Dutch, German, and dry flower styles, having won rolling trophies in flower shows conducted by Lal Bagh and Mysore Horticultural Society. Turning her passion into a profession, she runs the renowned flower boutique, Soy Petals, and received the Best Entrepreneur Award of Karnataka. Chosen as one of the best presidents of Inner Wheel Club, she is devoted to social service. She has organized large cultural and social events and loves anchoring and acting, stand-up comedies, and mono acting being her forte. She is also a singer.
This wonderful virtual award-winning ceremony is taking place in Chikmagalur because I'm not in Bangalore. This new trendy idea given by Mrs. President Sujata Garu, it is really very exciting to get honors from our own family members, and that too from my dear husband, Mr. Narsimha Gupta. I'm indeed very thankful to Arya Vaisya Mahila Sabha of Chennai, who has recognized me all away from Chennai. I'm from Bangalore, and recognizing me from Bangalore to be one of the best entrepreneurs and a social worker. I really don't have words to express my joy and my happiness and my total love for Arya Vaisya Mahila Sabha Chennai. Thank you so much.
Hema Vikram is a graduate in Fine Arts from Stella Maris College and runs a boutique named Dravika Expressive Beauty. She is well versed in mural art, crafts, painting, carving, and in woodwork. She creates themed murals with unique materials like jute, wood, glass, metal, tiles, cement, and car tiles. She has organized art exhibitions too. She caters personalized albums, personalized wedding invitations, packings, and handmade corporate gifts. Her work is a constant search for the best way to interpret the idea that she has personally and about the world we live in. She does not limit to one idea or concept. Her ideas are very unique and creative.
Namaskaram. Hello ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank Sujata ma'am, Chandrika ma'am and the entire board members of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for honoring me as one of the awardee of Adarsa Mahila and giving me this such a beautiful award. It feels really great to be rewarded for the hard work. I am sincerely grateful and thankful to everyone who had always been part of my journey, starting from my parents, in-laws, husband, kids, sisters, brother-in-laws, nephew, niece, friends and everyone. My sincere gratitude to God for making my existence fruitful. My gratitude to everyone for the tremendous encouragement who had put me in full effort and trying to achieve completely with different things. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to take this award with utmost purity and dedication as a refund for my efforts towards my actions. Thanks a ton once again, Sujata ma'am, Chandrika ma'am, and the entire board members of Tamil Nadu Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha for making this day into action with utmost perfection. Seriously, hats off to the entire team members. Getting the award from my own family members is a dream come true. Thanks a ton once again for this wonderful award. Thank you.
Mrs. Janani started her musical journey from the age of 4. She had participated in many competitions and won prizes. She has performed in many sabhas like Indian Fine Arts Society, Patna South Indian Cultural Association, and Kerala Fine Arts Society, to name a few. She has won Kerala State Youth Festival awards called the Gituli Thrice for different genres like classical, western, folk, and melody. She has been awarded by former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. She has performed in Kalena TV, Nan Padum Padal, and also done many advertisement jingles. She has sung for Tamil and Telugu movies. She is the title winner of Innovation Super Singer 2020 and was part of a judge panel in many prestigious music competitions. She has been honored by many associations as an upcoming achiever in music field. She is an accomplished doodling artist and has done many paper and doodle art. She is also a Carnatic vocal music teacher and a responsible and successful homemaker.
Andarki Namaskaram, Jai Vasavi. This is really a very special moment for me for being honored by my family members on behalf of Tamil Nadu Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha. My husband and my mother-in-law are doing the honors. Thank you. Thank you. My sincere thanks to the entire Aryavaishya Mahila Sabha team. I believe this is a great start for the year 2021, and my sincere thanks to my entire family for being my support to make this possible. Thank you.
C.S. Jayabharati Karumuri. C.S. Jayabharati Karumuri graduated as Masters in Philosophy in June 2004 from University of Madras, Masters of Arts in Corporate Secretaryship in July 1998 from University of Madras, second rank holder, and passed Limited Insolvency Examination IBBI and qualified as Company Secretary from the Institute of Company Secretary of India, New Delhi. She is fluent in English, French, Tamil and Telugu. She is married to CA and CMA Venkatarangam, an entrepreneur, and blessed with 2 sons, Akshay and Sanjay. She was designated as Assistant Company Secretary in 7 Seas Distillery Private Limited, Company Secretary in many companies like Prajna South City Projects Private Limited, Hazel Reality Private Limited, Ellis Limited, and Director in Bright Corporate Solutions Private Limited. As a passion, she worked as lecturer in Ethiraj College for Women in Department of Company Secretaryship. She created an educational module, Enriching Kids FIC, on enriching financial intelligence as an attempt to proactively equip the school children from age 8 to 13 with adequate financial inputs for life, which also helps them to learn values such as honesty, friendship, sharing, responsibility, love and self-esteem. as a foundation for a lifetime of financial security for the kids. She has published many articles and visiting faculty at ICSI, SIRC for foundation course during 2013 to 2016, speaker at a study circle meeting at ICSI, SIRC on prevention of sexual harassment at workplace during 2019, visiting faculty at Chennai Business School, Management and Business School Chennai 2015-18 and co-writer of 2 chapters for the study material during 2018 on secretarial audit, compliance management and due diligence for professional program of ICSI curriculum and addressed Dr. Mrs. Kausalya Murthy and Justice M.N. Murthy endowment lecture at Ethraj College on 13 February 2020 on secretarial practice and corporate governance.
This is Jay Bharati, Company Secretary, a proud Adarsh Mahila awardee, presenting to you the heartfelt thanks to Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for bestowing this award on me on this fantastic day. My sincere appreciation to the committee members, the esteemed committee members, for bringing us all onto a virtual celebration platform and honoring all the Vaishya women and encouraging them. My special thanks to my family members for being such pillars of support, and I am really glad to be part of Arya Vaishya Mahila awardees, the Adarsh Mahila awardees, the incredible awardees. I thank God Almighty for giving me this moment, and thanks once again to Sujata Ramesh Babu Madam and the robust committee members. Thank you.
A national level player in table tennis, Srimati Jyoti Raja, a state level player in shuttle badminton, ball badminton and tennis. Mrs. Jyoti Raja is also an artist. Her painting was exhibited in Paris, France. She retired after 27 years as a teacher in Cluny School, Neyveli. She was a speaker in the function hosted by Vasavi Samajam, Neyveli, on the occasion of the visit by the Tamil Nadu Governor, His Excellency Sri Rosaya, a winner of many prizes in Milkmaid Cookery Contest, drama competitions and Jaya TV jackpot programs. A prize winner also in Vijay TV Lakshadipati program. Talents galore is all that we can definitely say.
తమిళనాడు ఆర్య వైశ్య మహిళా సభ మహిళలకు నా నమస్కారములు. ఈ ఆదర్శ మహిళ అనే అవార్డు ఇచ్చి నన్ను గౌరవించేందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఈ అవార్డుని మా హస్బెండ్ మిస్టర్ రాజాకి మరియు ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్కి డెడికేట్ చేస్తున్నాను. నా ఫ్రెండ్ సునీత అజిత్ నన్ను చాలా ఎంకరేజ్ చేసింది. స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు సుజాత రమేష్ బాబు గారికి మరియు చంద్రికా గుబేరన్ గారికి, మళ్ళీ మీ ఎంటైర్ టీమ్కి నా కోటి నమస్కారాలు. జై వాసవి, జై జై వాసవి, జై శ్రీరామ్, జై హను.
Mrs. Kalpana Suryakumar is a counseling psychologist and the co-founder of Manas Counseling Services. She secured state first for girls in a 12th standard exam in Pondicherry. She has conducted several sessions in stress management, work-life balance, assertiveness, relationships, parenting, etc. She is the president of Chennai Counselors Foundation, executive committee member of TS Study Circle Madras, life member of Indian Psychiatric Society. She has participated in talks, interviews and debates in Lions Club, NDTV, Raj TV, Chennai Live FM Radio, Big FM, Deccan Chronicle, Pudhiya Thalaimurai, Vigilant.com, Kelly's Talk, etc. Her technical paper on parenting won an award in the MILT National Convention.
I feel so blessed and honored to receive this award today. Thank you, Tamil Nadu Arya Mahila Sabha, for recognizing the importance of mental health and acknowledging my contribution as the counseling psychologist to the community. I owe this to the blessings from the divine and the wonderful support rendered by my family members and my dear well-wishers. ஒரு தீபம் பிரகாசமா எரியணும்னா அது தூண்டி விடணும். என்னுடைய மிகப்பெரிய தூண்டுகோல் my beloved husband and my loving mother-in-law. Thank you, Tamil Nadu Arya Mahila Sabha.
Mrs. Kavita Satish. She wrote the simpler version of Vasavi Puranam that even children can understand and read easily. She was the president of Vani Vibhog and inculcated our culture and moral values to children. Based on Vasavi Puranam, she conducted many quiz competitions for children. She was the president of Vasavi Mahila Mandali and organized acupuncture, dental and medical camps. She has travelled many places and conducted workshops for children on making sandal idols on Shiva, Gauri and Ganesha. She organized yoga camps in many places. She gave speeches on importance of Vasavi Mata. She creatively used to design different costumes for Vasavi Amavaru. She distributed food in old age homes. Adarsha Mahila indeed.
జై వాసవి శ్రీ వాసవి సహాయం తమిళనాడు ఆర్యవైశ్య మహిళా సభ మెడ్రాస్ యూనిట్స్ వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం చెల్లించున్నాను. మన కుల దేవత వాసవి కన్నిగా పరమేశ్వరి పాదార విందానికి నమస్కారం చేస్తుంటాను.
జై జై వాసవి. జై వాసవి. జై వాసవి. జై జై వాసవి.
జై వాసవి. ఇంత గిఫ్ట్ ఇచ్చి మమ్మల్ని చాలా సంతోషం చేసేసి ఈ మెడ్రాస్ టీం అందరి వాళ్ళకిను చాలా సంతోషం నమస్కారం తెలియజేంటానండ. ఇంట్లోనే ఇంట్లో వండుతా ఉంటానండ. మన వైశ్య ఆడవాళ్ళంతా బయట వచ్చి నిండా సర్వీస్ చేయాలనేసి నష్టం మోటివేట్ చేసిండేది. మమ్మల్ని ఎంత ఇంకా సొసైటీని చేయవాళ్ళ సర్వీస్ చేయాలనేసి మంచి మోటివేషన్ ఇచ్చి మా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉండేది. మా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అందరమే మాకు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉండేది. వాళ్ళందరికీ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటాను. మహిళా సభ వాళ్ళకి కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటాను. ఈ డే వచ్చి నా లైఫ్లో హ్యాపీయెస్ట్ డేని తెలియజేసుకుంటాను. ఇంత థ్యాంక్స్గా.
Mrs. P. Meena Sudhir. Mrs. Meena Sudhir is a graduate of BA Fine Arts from Stella Maris College, Chennai and registered Fevicryl hobby teacher. She is married to Mr. P.S. Sudhir. She has done many cookery shows in Raj TV and Sun TV. She worked as an art teacher at Pallavi Model School, Hyderabad and Sindhi Model School, Chennai and jewelry design lecturer at National School of Design, Chennai. She conducted several art workshops and summer camps at many schools in Chennai. She also had a privilege to judge many cookery competitions held at different schools and colleges and corporate companies. Currently, she is associated in YouTube as Meena Samayal, blogger at Heavenly Flavors in Facebook, and gives kid-friendly and healthy recipes in Our Kitchen and Dr. Vigadan magazines. She received Woman Achiever Award of 2014 from Arya Vaishya Monthly magazine.
Hi Mahilas! Wishing you all a very happy new year. This is Meena Sudhir and my daughter Sushmita is honoring me on behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. I am so happy to be honored from Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. I really don't have words to express about how happy I am. Thank you. I would also like to congratulate the other award winners too. This shield says the Role Model Award goes to Meena Sudhir, Culinary Queen. I feel even more responsible after receiving this award and I would like to serve more to the society. And before I would end, I would like to thank my husband, my daughter, my entire family, my friends, my relatives and my YouTube subscribers for giving me continuous positivity and encouragement. Thank you once again.
Naga Suresh, a national level winner in the competition Art Out of Waste. Naga Suresh is an art and craft teacher since 1995. As part of Trousseau Packing, she has been a wedding plates decorator for the last 15 years. Conducted a very popular craft show on Polymer TV for 2 years. Week after week, she is a registered Febicryl hobby teacher. She has conducted numerous workshops and summer camps in the last 20 years. Also conducted a Ganesha Golu where she made 300 creative Ganeshas and was featured in news channels and newspapers. She received a title named Kaivanna Kalayarasi from Arya Vaishya Mahila Vibhag and the Star Legacy President Award from Innerwheel, a popular judge for all prestigious art and craft competitions. No wastage, she says.
Very happy to receive from Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. This award gives motivation for me. I thank this craft. Craft అనేది నాతోడ companion, ఇది నాతోడ travel చేస్తుంది. I thank God for choosing me to gift me the talent. I thank entire committee for recognition and honoring me. Thank you.
Mrs. Nitha Magla is a graduate in Masters in Informative Technology and Diploma in Baking Science and Pastry Arts from City and Guild University. She is a professional pastry chef and cake artist running business under the name Fourth Sense Cakes and Bakes and professional food photographer and food stylist. She has won many awards, to name a few, technical and non-technical competitions held by all colleges in the city. Best Outgoing Student Award while completing BCA and MSc IT and Best Entrepreneur Award during MBO Papers. She authored a food blog in the name www.fourthsensecooking.com which has 500 delicious vegetarian recipes and published a cookbook, Fourth Sense Cooking, with 50 unique recipes along with creative pictures of the same. She won Saffola Wordscreen Award in the cookery contest conducted by Vaishya Mahila Sabha and won the runner-up in the consecutive year too. She participated in Vijay TV Asal Suvai Cookery Contest and was awarded the best cook in the Ilai Saapadu round where she cooked 24 items in 1.5 hours. Did a cookery show segment called Nitya's Kitchen for Vasanthi. She made a 35 kg huge Bahubali themed cake for the success party of the movie which was well appreciated by director Rajamouli and his team. She has made and sold 500 plus theme-based designer cakes and have been acclaimed as one of the best home baking in town by various websites. She has done food sailing and food photography for about 20 top brands and hotels in the city like Butterfly Home Appliances, Achu Masala, Barani Group of Hotels, Vasanta Bhavan, etc. to name a few. She has won multiple awards for handwork and arts like Rangoli, drawing and painting, as well as in competitions held by various institutions in the city, and authored a column about food trends and recipes in Times of India for several weeks.
Hello all, my name is Nitya Mangala. I am a pastry chef. Today, my mom is going to felicitate me on behalf of Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. On this lovely occasion, I would like to thank Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for recognizing my talent and giving me this award, Innovative Pastry Chef. On this day, I would also like to extend my thanks to my family members who have always encouraged me and allowed me to do whatever I like to do. Thank you so much, Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. The word role model is giving me a lot more of energy and also responsibility to stand up to the name. Thank you so much.
An active trainer of Neuro-Linguistic Program, Mrs. Rajeshwari Venkatraman has been an outstanding participant in speechcraft and also a pilot to effective public speaking sessions. She specializes in time management, team building, manners and etiquette, presentation skills, parenting, cleanliness and sanitation. She is a winner of many outstanding awards at zonal level in Unit Chamber International. Her life's mission is to provide development opportunities to empower young people. She is highly service-oriented. Adishya Mahila indeed.
Hi dear all. Thank you so much. Immensely happy to receive this award from Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. It feels really great and responsible at the same time for which the award is given for. So I do promise that I'll live up to my best abilities for what I am so far. Thank you so much. I owe a lot to my mentors, my family and all my dear friends for this great award. Thanks again.
Dr. S. Radha Madhavi, MD in Obstetrics and Gynecology, National Board, New Delhi, OG, PG Diploma in Ultrasound. Dr. Radha Madhavi is the founder and president of the Tiruvannamalai OG Society, director in Rajam Multi-Speciality Hospital and also director in Rajam Institute of Paramedical Sciences. She is a warm human being, soft-spoken by nature. She is a sought-after speaker in medical conferences. She has conducted 2 annual conferences, Guestacon at Annamalai Medical College. She is a practicing gynecologist. She has done it all.
Good morning, Mahilas. I accept this Adarsa Mahila Award given by Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha Madras. I thank them for honoring me with this award. I accept it on their behalf from my better half. happy and a prosperous 2021 and wish them all the success in all their goals. Thank you.
R. Ratna Devi. A well-renowned radiation oncologist, Dr. R. Ratna Devi has over 20 years of experience in the treatment of cancer. She takes special interest in the treatment of brain tumors and a keen interest in various other types of tumors which largely affect women. She holds the position of Senior Consultant in the Department of Radiation Oncology and CyberKnife, Apollo Cancer Hospital, Chennai. She has undergone CyberKnife training at Sunnyvale University, USA. Alongside her flourishing practice in radiation oncology, she is a member of several organizations including Association of Radio-Oncologists of India, CyberKnife Society and the Association of Medical Physicists of India. She is the recipient of several awards including Young Radiation Oncology Award, Kerala and the M. Jagadishan Award. Her work in the treatment of women's cancers, especially in rural areas, is outstanding and exemplary.
My name is Dr. Ratna Devi. Today the honors is going to be done by my mom on behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. Dedicate this award to my mom. Without her, I'm not here today. I would like to thank once again, a big thank you. I'm really delighted to receive this award today.
Ms. Ramya R., a technocrat passionate about painting. Ms. Ramya Gupta, a creative partner of Paint Love, loves to interact with people and keep learning new things. She believes that a healthy mind and body gives us happiness. Creating art is an easy and fun way that gives us the feel of accomplishment and self-esteem. The aim is also to bring the gap between time and unavailability of resources to learn new things. She has been a software engineer and a white-hat junior teacher, an entry-level violinist certified by Trinity College, London. She has presented papers on business intelligence. Her online and offline events have reached hundreds of kids and adults. She wants to spread the smile of satisfaction and happiness to all.
Hello everybody, wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. This is Ramya and I have my mom here to do the honors on behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. Thank you so much Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for recognizing me for Adarsh Mahila Award. I'm really very happy to receive this from my mom. Parents have been a great inspiration for me since the beginning and this year marks the anniversary of our Paint Club and I'm really happy to begin this year with this award and marking our first year anniversary. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank my husband who has been really supportive and encouraging from the beginning. And a special thanks to my sister. We have partnered together to start this Paint Club and it's been a great journey for us. And I thank my parents, my in-laws, my family, friends, everybody who has been very supportive. And thank you once again Mahila Sabha for encouraging such budding entrepreneurs. Thank you so much.
Ms. Rekha Dande is a graduate of MBA International Business at Pondicherry University, MBA Finance at Amity Global Business School and Bachelor of Engineering at Anna University. She worked as Assistant Systems Engineer at TCS and Office Management Support at Bobble Enterprises. Animal assisted therapy is her keen interest. She strongly believes that we become de-stressed while playing with puppies and brought this concept at her restaurant Twisty Tales. She supplies fresh vegetables to the restaurants from Madras Mandi. Social Pulse is a marketing agency started with motto of helping different brands with their marketing, creative and digital strategy. She has received Kitchen Yummy Award from Vikatan and Best Iconic Themed Resto Cafe.
On behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha, my mom and dad are doing the honors for me. Thank you. Thank you.
Look here, look here, look here.
Thank you, Daddy. So, I'd like to thank Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for recognizing me as the Adarsh Mahila for Animal Activist. Thank you so much. Even though I've got many awards, but Animal Activist Atla and Jeppi ichna first award ide. So this is actually a great honor for me, and thank you so much for recognizing my efforts. And I wish all the other Mahilas a very all the best, and congratulations for all your achievements. Thank you so much.
Ms. Riya Venkatesh, a rank holder in the whole of Mysore VTU Architectural Colleges in Karnataka. Ms. Riya is an architect with highly appreciated projects to her credit. She is the only student from Mysore to have been selected in the campus interview for placement in the MNC MS Atkins. Her final year thesis has been featured in YouTube by her college. Her thesis, titled An Alternative School and Weaving Community of Kishkinda, has won many accolades. Her concept is that there are three teachers of children, adults, other children, and the environment. Her message is, we need to realize that today's education is not a preparation for life, it is life itself.
Thank you Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Sabha for recognizing my efforts in architecture by giving me the title of role model and encouraging me to achieve greater heights. Thank you.
Mrs. Savita Manoj, a MBA and an expert vehicle teacher. Savita Manoj is an entrepreneur running a successful business with orders for paintings and crafts. She conducts regular classes all through the year and for all age groups in drawing, handwriting and calligraphy. A state level participant in postal card drawing competition on Save Nature, an awesome artist, says Arya Vaishya Ladies Dindukal. Crochet sculpture is her forte. She participated in the Guinness World Record event on the rarest displays of crochet sculptures. Certainly a multifaceted personality.
Thank you. My husband is felicitating me on behalf of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahasabha Mahila Madras Unit. actually a very happy thing that I'm getting the award from my own husband. He has encouraged me a lot. My parents and my son and my family and friends are the main people who are responsible for all these things, like what I'm getting the award. Thank you. I'm very happy and overwhelmed to thank. This is my greatest privilege, which I am getting that award from the Tamil Nadu Aryaveshya Mahila Madras unit, those who are empowering women since 1953. Like I am very happy to be recognized as an awardee. Thank you very much. I thank to all the team members and the organizers, and I also congratulate other winners also. Thank you very much for giving me this award. Thank you very much.
Ms. R. Sumati Niranjan, already equipped with diploma in cosmetology, catering technology and applied nutrition. R. Sumati Niranjan obtained an advanced diploma in a computer course too. An arts and crafts teacher from 1986, she conducted craft shows in Raj TV pen program. She has conducted arts and crafts workshops at home and held summer camps at Navy Wives Welfare Association at Arakonam and at Air Force Station, Tamil. Her business, Arts Miracle, was honored with the Award of Excellence for being the best in the industry of decorations, a high-end achiever.
Hi Maglas, wish you all a happy new year. I am Sumati Niranjan. ఈ అవార్డ్ తీసుకుందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మిగతా అవార్డీస్ కూడా నా ఒక విషెస్ తెలుపుతూ ఉన్నాను. ఈ అవార్డు దొరికేదానికి ముఖ్య కారణం నా హస్బెండ్, నా కొడుకు, మా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్, ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇట్లా అందరూ ఒక పాజిటివ్ వైబ్స్ వల్ల నేను ఇది అచీవ్ చేయగలిగినాను. ఇది రికగ్నైజ్ చేసిన తమిళనాడు ఆర్యవైశ్య మహిళా సభ వాళ్ళకి నాకు నా ధన్యవాదాలు. నాకు పారమెంట్ అచీవర్ అనేది ఇచ్చిండారు. నాకు ఇది చూడను, నాకు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అచీవ్ చేయాలనేది మోటివేట్ అవుతా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఆర్యవైశ్య మహిళా సభ.
Mrs. Sunita R. joined Parenting Matters in 2008 and has since been certified as a parent educator by Mrs. Ruth Begelhol of Eco Parenting USA. She is involved in the day-to-day running of the organization, which involves marketing, financial and coordination decisions. As a facilitator and parent educator, she conducts in-person courses, workshops and talks to parents and caregivers in both schools and corporate organizations. She has published several articles in DT Next newspaper. She is a Reiki Grandmaster and also dabbled in other healings such as crystal healing, hypnotherapy and angel healing. She strongly feels our children are the society of tomorrow. It is imperative that they grow up with love, care, empathy and connection. So their future societal interactions will have a ripple effect, hence leading to a peaceful, empathetic world with a better tomorrow for all of us.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you. Thank you, Tamil Nadu Aryaveshya Mahila Sabha. Receiving this award is really a deep honor, and I'm grateful to all of you. Being a parent educator has been a wonderful experience, and this award really inspires and motivates me to do more, to help parents and to volunteer more and reach out to all the parents out there. It has been an awesome journey, and all this would have not been possible without the support of my family and the entire team of Parenting Matters, all my colleagues in it.
So I'm deeply grateful to each one of you. And thank you, Mahila Sabha. Namaste.
Dr. Sunita V. With 21 years of teaching experience and 50 publications to her credit, Dr. V. Sunita presently serves as Assistant Professor Senior in the Department of English, School of Social Sciences and Languages at Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, India. She is a trainer in soft skills. Her articles in the Hindu newspaper won overwhelming response. She has been the keynote speaker in national conferences. She has published widely in various journals, including Scopus Index journals. She guides PhD scholars. A doctoral committee member of 2 universities, she is certainly an educator par excellence.
Felicitating me. It is a great honor to receive this award. I feel immense pleasure to receive this award. So I am really overwhelmed with joy for your consideration. So thank you, Tamil Nadu Arya Mahila Sabha, for your encouragement and support. So I assure that I will contribute my best to the student community and society. So thanks one and all.
LLN Supraja. Supraja was born to Sri Sarvadamana and Srimati Latangi and completed BCom from SIET, a gold medalist, MCom, CA, LLB and completed Master Financial Advisor course from Limra, USA. She is married to Mr. Lakshmi Narasimulu and blessed with a son, Sharan Harish. She joined SBI Life as an insurance advisor. She completed 10 consecutive MDRT and received Quality and Efficiency Award. She is the only lady from SBI Life in Pan India to attend the MDRT convention in Atlanta, USA. She has achieved Court of the Table USA. She assisted many customers in insurance, child plans, pension and mutual funds.
Good morning. Wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year. I am Supraja, Master Financial Advisor, dealing in mutual funds and SBI Life Insurance products. Now my husband is honoring me for getting the prestigious Adarsh Mahila Award from Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. I am proud to say I am the member of Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha since its inception in 1983. Myself, my mom and my grandmom used to attend the carnivals regularly. I am grateful to Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for awarding this Adarsh Mahila. This has motivated me to become #1 advisor from SBI Life Insurance Company in Chennai for the year 2020. And I am also one among the top 80 advisors in Pan India who have been qualified for COT USA. COT is the Court of the Table. It is an international recognition for insurance advisors. Thank you.
Shweta R. with an engineering background and many years of experience in the IT industry. Ms. Shweta R. understands the necessity to be creative and innovative in this competitive world. A creative partner of Paint Club, an event management company. Her idea is to bring happiness to the client by enhancing creativity, reducing stress and having fun. She is a reputed master of ceremonies and a motivational speaker at Shishya Academy. She has been recognized with Service Excellence Award at SIFI Technologies for 3 consecutive years. An IT professional turned into an artist, she says, I am a highly motivated individual who has transformed a hobby into a profession.
Good evening, everybody. This is Sweta here, and my husband and my daughter are here to do the honors for me on behalf of Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha. Thank you. Thank you so much, Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha, for recognizing our efforts. I'm really very happy to be receiving this award, and this is extra special because we are celebrating our first anniversary for Paint Love, and receiving it in hands of my husband and my daughter is giving it that edge. Thank you so much, and I'd like to also thank my parents, my in-laws, my husband, my kids, and especially my sister who is my partner in Paint Love. Thank you so much everybody for being a part of this journey. And my inspiration for art since the beginning has been my mother. So one special thumbs up for my mom. Thank you so much.
Ms. Traicha Ashok Garla, an 18-year-old, has been writing since she was a little kid. She has a blog and an Instagram account with about 250 poems posted till date. She touches upon themes such as feminism, self-reliance, love, and mostly writes blues. Her poems have been published in 2 issues of the Sparks magazine and in poetry anthologies such as Efflorescence of Chennai Poets Circle, The Current, The Midverse News, Our Poetry Orchid, Destiny Trade, Untamed Thrills, and Shrills. Floor Poetry, Amaravati Poetic Prism, and in the Setu E magazine. She is a weekly contributor to Positive Vibes. She is a part of the Indian Poetic Circle as well as the Chennai Poets Circle. She has participated and won in a multitude of competitions representing the college and in the ones that were held by the college. She is pursuing psychology. She is a voracious reader and a violinist. She frequently dabbles in art ranging from pencil sketching, pen and ink work to painting styles such as pitchwork and Madhubani.
I thank Arya Vaishya Mahila Sabha for giving me this award. I am truly honored to be receiving it. Writing poetry is my passion and I want to make a change in society with it. Thank you so much for everything. Hope everyone has a nice day.